What I like about this helicopter so far, that they really have some very refined new algorithm. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here, and welcome outdoors to my favorite spot to fly RC helicopters. Yes, once again in this video I'm gonna fly GooSky S2 Legend because I'm testing it a whole lot these days, and this is my main to-go helicopter these days to fly because of its impressive and locked-in performance. Today I'm going to try to tweak some of the settings, agility settings in the app, and see if I can handle a little bit of more agility rather than doing that soft 3-day. Wish me luck, I don't want to crash, but hey, I have ordered a whole lot of parts for this helicopter, and that shows you I'm really serious to improve my skills and practice on this helicopter. Check this out. Well, before we fly, thank you very much GooSky for sending me this beautiful t-shirt. Check this out. Looks really nice, and small size really fits well. And of course, you'll be happy to see me fly GooSky S2 Legend with this t-shirt on. Alright, so let's get to work. So, GooSky Android, Bluetooth connection successful, parameter tuning, agile. So I'm just gonna move the agility to, I don't know, 10. Should I move 10%? Both aileron and elevator, or 5%? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna do 3 on each rudder. I will keep slow. Elevator, aileron 53, 53, and this is 60 on agility. Okay, speed I did 53, and here I did 60. Okay, gyro I will leave because gyro there's nothing I want to change. So I will say save. It says save successful. Good. All right, turn off everything, turn off my Bluetooth. Okay, and now I will start flying the helicopter. Okay, so let's close the canopy, the chicken beak, and see what is the difference in agility. By the way, after the last crash, I've flown it twice, I believe, or 3 times, not quite sure, and I did not do any settings change, nor I changed any parts on this, though I have ordered tons of parts. Let's hope I don't crash today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, here we go. Of course, in stabilized mode, I will not feel anything regarding the agility. This is, mashallah, so stable in stabilized mode that I was thinking to let Arish try it, but he's not ready. He's a little bit scared of this. So I'll train him on K11OS and then move him to this helicopter, inshallah. So let's see how it goes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I shouldn't fly here. There's a lot of sun in my eyes, of course. Once I go blind, I won't be able to recover. The helicopter is a bit more agile now, and the changes are noticeable when I'm flying, but not that actually will disturb me and I would be like, okay, it's too agile and I need to go back to this or that. So app really is very helpful to change the parameters and, you know, tweak the helicopter the way you want. Okay, almost needed to go to repair. What I like about this helicopter so far, that they really have some very refined new algorithm in their flight controller that I haven't seen in other helicopters, flight controllers of the similar kind. This one, as you can see, I have brought it close to the ground, up to the level where it was almost blade scraping. Now I'm cutting the grass. I see the other helicopters are actually bothered by the ground effect when you get too close to the ground, but this helicopter, mashallah, stays absolutely very stable even when very close to the ground. So battery should be finishing. I gotta land this helicopter and change the battery and come back to the flight. So the settings that I did just now are actually working very well, and I like it. Step by step, as my skills improve, I will actually change the settings of agility and make it more and more agile, and see if I can actually handle those agility levels. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.